Defining the world of game creation. Game development is the process of creating video games. It's like making a movie, but interactive. Game development is a blend of creativity and technical skills. It involves storytelling, art, music, and programming. Imagine building a whole new world with its own rules. That's what game developers do. They create digital playgrounds for players to explore and enjoy. Game development can be a hobby or a profession. Many people dream of making games, from indie developers to large studios. The industry is full of passionate individuals. Building blocks of fun, the essential components of a game. Every game, no matter how simple or complex, is made up of core components. The story is the narrative that unfolds during gameplay. It's what keeps players engaged and invested. Gameplay refers to the rules and mechanics that govern how the game is played. This includes things like character movement, combat systems, and puzzle-solving elements. Graphics bring the game world to life. From characters and environments to visual effects, graphics play a crucial role in immersing players in the experience. Sound design adds another layer of depth and emotion. Music, sound effects, and voice acting all contribute to the overall atmosphere and impact of the game. Programming is the backbone of game development. Programmers write the code that makes everything work, from character animation to artificial intelligence. Testing is an essential part of the development process. Testers play the game rigorously, looking for bugs, glitches, and balance issues. From dream to reality, the game development pipeline. Creating a game involves several distinct stages. Planning is the first step, where the game's concept, target audience, and platform are determined. This is where the game's design document is created, outlining the game's vision and scope. Prototyping involves building a basic, playable version of the game. This prototype is used to test the core gameplay mechanics and see if the game is fun. Development is where the real work begins. The team builds upon the prototype, adding features, content, and polish. This is an iterative process, with regular testing and refinement. Testing ensures that the game is stable, bug-free, and fun to play. Testers, both internal and external, provide feedback that helps the developers improve the game. Publishing is the final stage, where the game is made available to players. This can involve working with a publisher or self-publishing through online platforms. Section 4. Tools of the trade. Resources for crafting your digital masterpiece. Game developers have a wide range of tools at their disposal. Game engines, such as Unity and Unreal Engine, provide a framework for creating games. These engines handle many of the technical aspects, allowing developers to focus on the creative side. Programming languages like C++, C#, and Lua are used to write the game's code. Different languages are better suited for different tasks, and developers often specialize in one or more. Art and sound creation tools are essential for bringing the game world to life. Digital art software, music production software, and sound effects libraries are just a few examples. Collaboration tools, such as version control systems and project management software, help teams work together effectively. These tools streamline communication, track progress, and manage files. Section 5. Assembling the team roles in a game development studio. Game development is a collaborative effort, often involving teams of talented individuals. Game designers are the creative visionaries who come up with the game's concept, mechanics, and story. Artists create the visual elements of the game, including characters, environments, and user interfaces. This can range from two-dimensional concept art to three-dimensional modeling and animation. Programmers write the code that brings the game to life. They implement the game's mechanics, artificial intelligence, and user interface functionality. Sound designers create the audio landscape of the game, from music and sound effects to voice acting. They work closely with other departments to ensure that the audio enhances the gameplay experience. Testers play the game extensively, looking for bugs, glitches, and balance issues. They provide feedback to the development team, helping to improve the game's quality.